Okay, now we've got our first layer solved, it's time to do the second layer. To do the second layer, we need to complete these corner pieces. As we can see, this one's already in position, so we don't need to touch that one. So that's a bit of a win. So the first thing we need to do is rotate the cube so the yellow piece is on top, the yellow face is on top, sorry. And have a look for any pieces that look like this, where they are neither yellow, where they have no yellow in them, so they're just two of the other colours. Then what we want to do is look at the colour that's facing you and rotate that colour so it matches the face. So this one we're going to rotate around to blue. Okay, now we're on the right face, we want to look at which way this needs to move in order to match. So because this is blue and orange, we need to move it to the left because the left is the orange face. If it was blue and red, we would move it to the right because that's the red face. So because we're moving it to the left, there's an algorithm that we need to use. First thing we do is move the top piece to the right. Then we use our algorithm from before when we did the bottom layer. So it's up, right, down, left. Then you'll have a white piece on this left-hand corner. Rotate the cube so the white piece is now on your right, and do our other algorithm from before. Up, left, down, right. And now that piece is in position. And we just keep doing that. So now, the orange is now in position. So this is great because now we need to go orange to green. And this we're going to the left now. So let's just do that same thing again. So we go to the right because we're moving it to the left. So right, and then up, left, down, right. Rotate our white piece to the right-hand side. Up, left, down, right. And then it's in position. Right, finally, we've got the blue and red. And this time we're moving it to the right. So it's the same algorithm as I just showed you, but it's in reverse. So instead of moving the top piece to the right, we're going to move it to the left. And then we're going to use our two algorithms, but the other way around. So move the top piece to the right, to the left, and then we do our up, left, down, right. Then we've got our white piece on the right this time. So rotate that so it's on the left. And then we do our up, right, down, left. And then that piece is in position. As you can see, that's the second layer solved. Now there's just one more thing I want to show you. Let me just move this piece out and jiggle this around a bit. Okay. So if you have a piece that is on the middle layer here, that's either the wrong way round or in a completely wrong place, okay? What you need to do is just repeat one of those algorithms to move out onto the top row, and then you can repeat them again to move it back in. So in this instance, if we want to finish the second layer, we need to flip this red and green piece around. So we get it so it's on the corner, and then we move the top piece to the left, and then we go up, left, down, right. We've got our white piece on the front. Rotate it so it's on the left, up, right, down, left, and then that puts our red and green piece on the top then. Then we can just do what we did before. Rotate it around so it matches the face. We are going to the right, so we need to start on the left. So move that to the left, up, left, down, right. Got our white piece. Rotate it so it's on the left, up, right, down, left. And that's spun that piece around. Okay, that's the second layer done. So that's the end of this video, and next we'll move on to doing the yellow cross.